Hey guys, Mr. B here with another video. This time we got the niche, and I have an idea. I'm gonna make my own niche out of Hydroban board. My plan is to do back cuts, so by the time you fold it, there's minimal. There's actually gonna be just 4 joints of the sealant that we're gonna have to apply, because it's pretty much gonna be one full thing folded. I don't know if you get it, but pretty much, let me show you. It's gonna be one full thing. It's gonna cover this ledge, the back, the bottom, the 2 sides, and it's gonna go in, and the sides are, so the only things we're gonna need to seal is this 4 corners. To do that, we're pretty much gonna measure this distance, and this distance, then bottom, back. That's gonna be our width and height of the full piece we need to cut. But we gotta remember, we are measuring, we're really not measuring this right now. We need to measure what the finished face is gonna be. So from here to the back, we're gonna subtract the 1/2 inch of the board's thickness, and then from here to here we have 2 sides with board, so we're gonna subtract 1 inch, and then the same case for this guy, we're gonna subtract 1/2 inch. So let's get started. So our sides are 4 inches roughly, so let's call it 3.5, and we'll subtract that 16th, so it'll be more like 3 7/16. Should be the same over here in a perfect world. Apparently we're not in a perfect world, so 3 1/4, 3 1/4, 3.5, and then across is 14.5 minus 1 inch, 13.5. So we have 13.5, 3 1/4, 3.5. Let's double check, because we only have 1 piece of Hydroban board to mess with. So 3.5, 13.5, 3 1/4. You add that up and you have 16, 17, 20 1/4, 20 1/4. That's going to be our boards. The piece we're going to cut, it's going to be a rectangle, and the width is going to be 20 1/4. Now the height is, and I understand, so we have 2 different thicknesses here. We're going to take the biggest one, and then we're just going to have to trim the thing. So we have 3.5, 3.5, so 3.5, 3.5. And excuse my cut here, I completely missed the height, but don't worry, we'll fill that with sealant. So our height is 31 3/8. Let me check. Yeah, 31 3/8. So 30 3/8. Total is 36, 37 3/8. That's our height. That's our width. Okay? Not sure if you have any questions, but you can always slow down the video. Okay, and now we're gonna this is our face. So, like I said at the beginning of the video, we want to make the cuts in the back. So we're gonna turn it around. I remember my measurements. The bottom was 3.5. 3.5. We're gonna slice lightly. Make sure we're on our lines. Slice. We only want to slice the back of the board. We don't want to impact the face because that's our waterproof membrane. Even though I think the back side is also a waterproof membrane. I like the one with the imprint on it. So our height. 30 board in the regular way. We'll do the back and the sides and seal it all over some. Okay, now we have it sliced. And we can actually, yep, we do this. That. You can look at the front is intact. Pieces are in the way. So, we're going to cut them out. Actually, I'm going to do it from the front. Make sure you only cut up to your intersection. Boom. So that's potentially our niche. Let's go try it. Okay, so it's in. You can see all these corners, inside corners, all this is untouched. It's waterproof, tight. Now, the only thing I didn't think of is these. Because we're obviously not having that. I'm not sure if next time I'll try to 45 those. But I'm pretty sure I can, you can also see this. This is very important, guys. My bottom 2x4 has a slope, so it doesn't let water stand in the back of your niche. So there's that, and I was already accounting for that. I have the tube of sealant. I'm gonna seal this up, and then trim this part, because remember the one side was a 1/4 inch deeper than the other. But overall, I'm pretty happy. I still have my horrible cut at the top, but look. If I come up with a different way, I mean, pretty much this same thing, but tweaked, I will definitely make another video. I know Laddercrete makes their own niches, preformed niches, but you know, when you encounter a custom niche like this one, it's nice to know some tricks. So here you go, guys. Let me know what you think. If you would have done things differently, just comment below and let me know what. Please don't be a dick and comment bullcrap. If you don't know the product, don't be coming here and telling me that this is not good. I know 100% that it's good and it's an awesome product. So see you later. Oh, Don't forget to subscribe. I need subscribers. This is the Latacrete Hydroban adhesive and sealant. This is what we'll be using in all our screw holes, seams, change of planes, and on these seams for our custom niche. Well, all right, that's it. Just a little note before I forgot. Bye.